Welcome back. This is video tutorial number 17. For this one, I'm going to show you how to do a fascia on your roof. Some may ask why we would need fascia, because it's just a roof. It's going to look the same anyway. So cool thing with fascia, especially if you're going to use Lumion for your renderings. When you go into Lumion, this will all come in as one material because it's one block, right? So your faces and where your fascia would be will look black, whatever color your shingles are, and it won't look as nice. So to do this, all we have to do is we're in our 3D view, we click on roof, and on the drop down we click fascia. Pretty easy, right? Then you just go around and you can choose as a 1x12. You could edit that and make it wider. But then if you zoom in here, all you have to do is click on a line, so pick that top edge, and it creates some fascia. So you want to place it all at once so it's all one continuous piece. So I'll just click around the roof, and I could continue that all the way around. When you click out of it, it ends it, and then you have one fascia piece, right? And I could add segments or remove segments, right? And just mess with that however I want to do that. But now when you go into Lumion and you're assigning materials, you can assign this roof piece a shingle texture, and then give your edges a nice clean white or whatever type of fascia you want to give it a good accent color. So hope that helps you out, and have a good one.